this on so long. But as you guys can see, that's another huge bass. It's not a giant like last time, but it is another big bass. Let's bring him aboard here. Come on. Come on. I hate to drag him up like that, but yo, look at this tank. And he was barely clipped on again. Dude, alright, so last time I had an issue with my scale because I used this bad boy. I had a 9.3 pound bass, but I can barely see the number. So I'm gonna do two different scales and see what happens here. Turn both of them on. Both on. Start with this one. Getting about 6.15. About to be 7 pounds this one. Almost a 7 pound. Let's try this bad boy. Can't really see it right now. This one's rating 7 pounds. Exactly. Hey. I don't know if you can see it on the camera that good, but it's reading 7 pounds exact.
Do you mind if I get a picture?
Yeah, no problem. You guys can see here. Look at this guy. He's dying. I'm getting 6.9 to 7 pounds. There you guys see. 6.9. Yeah, so that right there just changed to 7, but it's 6.9. So I'm gonna go with almost by a hair at almost by a hair it'll be 7 pounder. Let's measure the length of this bad boy. He's about 2 feet. About 2 feet. Actually, yeah, he makes it 2 feet right here. This is where it ends right here. 2 feet right there. So 2 feeder. Almost a 7 pounder, 6.14. About a spawn. Back in the water. That was a big splash. There she goes. She's free. Back in the water. She disappeared. She's gone. Should probably think twice before getting a nice old Cinco, 6-inch Cinco. Let's set the hook on this bad boy. Oh, that's a good size. It's not a huge tank. I just got 5. Come on, wear yourself out, buddy. And he got free. He literally got free. I should have picked him up. It wasn't a big one, but it was a good size. I want to see a good 2-pounder. Probably a little bit more. Been on the other end, but yep. I had a bowfin. Yep. I had a freaking bowfin.